everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing. I got my 2 subscriptions on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. So I just want to dive right into it. This Boxycharm's name, I think it is BTS, if I'm not mistaken. And the first product that I'm gonna use, it is from my premium box, and it's this Mercier Balancing Foaming Cleanser. This retails for $30. I haven't done any of my morning routine because I checked beforehand what I had in my boxes in order to make sure what I needed to prep for. So this is the packaging of the product itself. It's very thick. That's why you need a lot of water to rinse it off. Is very, very thick. It smells really, really soft and nice. The foaming part activates with a little bit of water because I have this wet cloth here to take it off, and yeah, it does the trick. Well, I didn't need a lot of water, but yeah. What I'm liking so far, it is that my skin, it doesn't feel stripped off. The next product is this, also from my premium box. This is the Herbivore Botanicals Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. It retails for $48. It also says that if you have sensitive skin, just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have normal to the rest of the other skin types, leave it for 20. Oh, it is a glass one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't. This is kind of liquidy. I never thought it would be like that. I did kind of a mess. Well, what I have in my fingers from the almost disaster that I did, I'm gonna rub it into my skin. I never thought it would be so liquidy. So be careful when you open this package. And then it feels kind of a gel-like. The 20 minutes has already passed, and now I'm gonna take it off the same way that I did the Mercier Foaming Cleanser. My next product from my Luxe box is this Dew of the Gods Frozé Lip Scrub. This retails for $16. This is the actual component. It says the gift of forgiveness, blessed to be inspired. Okay. The sugar beads are big, but it has kind of an oil that nourish and moisturize your lips. My next product is this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whip Cream. This retails for $57 and it's supposed to give a radiant looking skin, which I don't have a problem with it. Oh, nice. It has a really soft scent of, I don't know what, a little bit of citrusy, if I'm not mistaken. This is what I got from the cap. Applying it to my skin, it reminds me a little bit of the smell of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, but this is a little bit more stronger than that one. But yeah, it has a citrus scent to it. I like the consistency. It's very light, but when you rub it into your skin, it is really tacky to the touch. Now I'm gonna do the first step of my complexion, and then we're gonna come back. I have already done my basic complexion products, and now I'm gonna go for my next one. This is from my Luxe box, and this is the Cap Cosmetic Contour Palette. This retails for $60. This is how the actual palette looks, and it has a mirror to the other side. I think that this pan size are the regular size for a powder or pressed bronzer, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't checked that, but I think they are, yeah, I think they're big enough to be just like that. I'm going to set my under eye, and I'm going to use the translucent shade one. I'm using this small brush. This is the number 8 from the Spectrum and KGH collaboration. It picks really good from the pan. It has a little bit of kick up, but since this is a translucent powder, I just take away the excess on the back of my hand to make sure that the bristles are evenly coated, and then I go straight for my under eye. I like how it sets, because yeah, it mattifies my under eye, but still I can see a little bit of radiance peeking through it. Also, it doesn't diminish anything, but it doesn't either emphasize my texture under eye. So now I'm gonna go for the contour and bronzing part. I'm gonna use a mix of sand and suntan just to see how it translates, because I don't know why, I think I will like it. I'm just applying it in like little taps to my skin because I haven't set my complexion, and yeah, I like that a lot. It looks kind of a little bit of too much blush, so let's just use sand and camel just to see how it translates in my other side. You have to be careful. As you can see, it has a lot of pigment to it. It is really easy to blend, and I like it so far. Let's see the difference between one side and the other. I use a lot more in the other side, and to dust a little bit of it to the rest of my complexion, I think I'm gonna go mix raw and vanilla bean just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna dust this into my T-zone just to make sure that I have set it. The other product that I got is this from Hey Honey. This, I got it in my premium box, and this is the Trick and Treat Very Lip Balm with natural tint. This retails for $23. I'm going to apply it at this moment because I'm not sure if this is the one that I'm going to stick to. So at least I tried a product. It has such a lovely scent to it. All the things that I got in my boxes so far, they have a really nice scent to it. Yeah, I don't mind this color. So far, so good. I've already prepped my lids, and the two products that I'm going to use now are these two palettes. The one from Fenty, I got it in my premium box, and this is the Fenty Snap Shadow Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $25, and I got the shade 7 Cadet. And the other one, it is, as I said, from Rare Beauty. This is the Rare Beauty Magnetic Spirit Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $25. It's a really nice component, plastic one, and the palette itself looks like this. It has a mirror to the other side, the same sleek packaging that Fenty used, and on the back of the palette also has the name of the shades. When you open it, this is the color story of the palette. Really fall theme going on here, which I like a lot. And it has a mirror to the other side as well. I think I'm gonna do kind of a halo look, and I'm gonna go with the Rare Beauty one. I don't know why. I'm gonna breeze through this just for time's sake. The next product that I got in my premium box is this. This is the Bite Beauty Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This retails for $25. Oh, good. It's not a felt tip pen. I'm gonna do a wing, but just in the ending part of my eye. The next product that I got in my Luxe box are this from MAC. This is the 83 Siren Lash. This retails for $18. I like the fact that they have a clear strip. Now I'm going to press them. Now we are going to do a little bit of a recap of all the products that I use and the ones that I forget and the ones that I didn't use. So let's just start with the one that I didn't use. They are from my Luxe box, and this duo here, it is from Outré. This is the Best Buds shampoo and conditioner duo. This retails for $66. It says that a healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. Great for all hair types, stain freeze and protect your hair color and add lustrous shine. The other product that I didn't use, it is this one. This is the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. I didn't use this because it says that it had to be used in a wet skin and then rinse it off. This retails for $49. Damn, that is expensive for this much. God, well, let's just not say that that is expensive because these two products are $66. So each bottle retails for $33, and that is a lot of money for 8.5 ounces. And now I think those are the oh, and the other product that I didn't use, it is this is from Complex Culture. This I got it in my premium box, and this is a Sonic T-Bar facial massager. This retails for $58, and I had already put on a battery. It is a AA battery. And last but not least, and this one I'm gonna try it, this is a supplement. I got it in my Luxe box, and this is the Nude Defense Rub, your first line of defense against getting sick. Let's just, I hope it doesn't taste bad. It is a dropper. This doesn't look good at all. It smells herbal. Oh God. It could be worse. Now we're gonna go for the products that I use. Firstly, we start with the Laura Mercier Balancing Foaming Cleanser. This was really nice. Then we went for the mask that I almost provoked a tragic accident in the process of it. I left it for the 20 minutes, I think a little bit more than that. It was extremely tacky. This was so different from what I'm used to use. From that, we went to the lip scrub. It's not the fact that I didn't like it. I think that the sugar particles, they were too big for my liking. But yeah, we'll keep on using it, but it isn't my favorite lip scrub. From that, we went to the Saturday Skin Moisturizer. I like this. Also surprised me that it felt really light. Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm. This I like, and this is the one that I'm still wearing. And yeah, it is really nice. I like the little bit of a tint that it has. From there, we went to the Cosmetic Contour Palette. I have mixed feelings of this. Today I'm wearing a tinted serum, which I loved the first time that I used it. I didn't use it in conjunction with this, so I like how my under eye look, but I don't like how my complexion looks at this moment, especially my T-zone, which is the part that I use the mixture of the two shades of powder from here. Bronzing thing on top of the blush that I use, that I like. But this area here looks with a lot of makeup, and I don't like that in myself. From there, we went to eyes. The Rare Beauty palette, it was really easy to work with. I like the colors. how they blended, how they perform, how the color payoff is really, really good. The Fenty Beauty one, which I only use 2 shades. The one in my inner corner, which was amazing. The kind of a grayish, mauve gray shade that I use in my bottom part, it was extremely easy to blend. The other thing that I used, it was the Bite Beauty Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. I was surprised at first of the packaging, and yeah, I think then I went for my MAC lashes. These are the 83 Siren Lash. I thought that they would look too thick for myself, but yeah, thank God I didn't say anything, because I take back that thought. I love how my eyes look. So sweets, this is it. I really like both of my boxes. I love to get skincare, and the makeup products that I got also, they were extremely good and really easy to use. So, and for my money's worth, it is beyond what I paid, but a lot beyond for what I paid for them. So yes, I'm more than happy with them. If you are subscribed also to Boxycharm, let me know what you got and if you are happy with it. And if not, let me know also with which products you are not happy with. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.